In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Capcut storage on your PC and free up space quickly by clearing the cache and removing unnecessary files. Over time, Capcut stores a large amount of temporary data, including cached media, project files, previews, and exported videos, which can slowly take up a lot of storage space on your computer. The good news is that cleaning it up is actually very easy, and in this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open Capcut on your PC and wait for the application to fully load. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon, usually represented by a small gear symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu where Capcut allows you to manage storage, cache, and other preferences. Inside the settings menu, navigate to the section related to cache or storage management. Depending on your Capcut version, the wording may be slightly different, but you should see options connected to temporary files and cached data. Here, Capcut will usually display how much storage space is currently being used by cache files on your computer. Next, click on the Clear Cache button. This will remove temporary files that Capcut no longer needs, helping free up storage space and sometimes even improving the app's performance. Don't worry, clearing the cache will not delete your actual editing projects or exported videos unless you manually remove them yourself. After clearing the cache, it's also a good idea to review your local project files and exported videos. Many users forget that exported videos can consume several gigabytes of storage over time. Go through your saved exports and delete any old or unnecessary files you no longer need. You can usually find these inside your Videos folder or the export location you selected when rendering projects. Another helpful step is clearing unused media files inside Capcut projects. Open older projects you no longer use and remove imported clips, audio files, or drafts that are taking up extra storage space. This can make a noticeable difference, especially if you work with large video files regularly. If your storage is still filling up quickly, you can also move completed projects and exported videos to an external hard drive or cloud storage service. This keeps your main PC storage cleaner while still allowing you to keep backups of important content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to clear Capcut storage on PC, free up space quickly, and clear unnecessary cache files. Regularly cleaning your Capcut cache and managing old project files can help keep your computer running smoother and prevent storage issues in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more editing tutorials, tech tips, and content creation guides.